connected.
So we have the Sena 5S and we are going to do the unboxing for that. So this is the intercom system from Sena. Wow, this box looks premium. It's amazing. So it says right connected. So see, this is the Sena 5S, and here's the price. As you can see, the MRP is 12,999, and you have all the information, the website and the email. Over here it says they have HD speakers on the 5S Sena because it utilizes the Bluetooth 5.0, and you have some product stickers over here, and all the features. It is Bluetooth 5. And it has intercom up to 700 meters, two-way intercom, and it's an LCD display, there's audio multitasking, and you have multi-language voice, and also it is compatible with the smartphone app. So let's take a look inside the box. So here's the Sena box. Wow, amazing. Just look at it, it's very hardy. And here's the Jog Dial, and you have a haptic feel to it. There's the display, there's a single red button, and this is the port for the charger, and there's the port to connect. So we have two different ports, so we can also stay connected while charging the unit. What else? Let's take a look at what else is in the box. So this is a piece of thermocol, and okay, so a lot of 3M stickers and pads for the boom mic, sponge pads, and here is your microphone, your wired mic. This is your charger, and these are your speakers, and this is the Sena clip, and also the receive mount, and you have the boom mic. So this is what we are going to use. This is the best, gives you the best audio quality. So these are everything that comes in the box, and also there's some literature. So here is the literature and the certificate, the quick start guide. So So this is what comes in the box. So here we have the Sena unit, and it's the 5S with Bluetooth 5 and HD speakers. It also has HD intercom and an intercom range of 700 meter and a two-way intercom. So me and Sid, we are going to use it. He has his 20S and I'll be using this on my helmet for intercom. So these are the main parts of the Sena. So we have the Sena headset, the speakers and the boom mic. So I'm going to use the boom mic. So let us start with attaching the boom mic. So here Sid is taking the boom mic.
So here you have an arrow, okay, and the arrow has to be connected right away with the next arrow. So you see out here you have got two arrows that needs to be connected, and you're done. So this has to get connected directly to the helmet, and this particular jack, okay, which is specifically for the Sena, needs to get connected and clamped. So what you have to do is flip it, it lifts, you put it inside a bit hard, okay, connect it, push it, and it's locked, clipped. And this particular speakers will go to the helmet, okay, right and left. The next thing what it's going to do is you need to go ahead and connect it to the mount, which is the most important thing, okay. So you have the key, you have a you have the bolts, you need to unscrew it, put one side of it to the helmet, and you need to go ahead and you need to just connect. There is a lock out here, there is a latch which needs to go ahead and connect, so all it will slide over and it will make a click sound. That's all you need to do. Make the click sound, you're connected, switch this and the red button, and there you say Sena ready to play.
So you have to go to your Google Store or your App Store, and you have to download the Sena app. So I have the Sena utility. So this is the app, the Sena utility, which connects to your headset. So here's the interface. So it says first and foremost you have to connect your device to your headset, and then you can start with pairing, and there's a quick guide and a user guide, and also you can go for the settings. So let's try to pair it. So here it says the Sena 5S. So now we have pairing it. So it says connecting to Sena, and it's reading the data now. So now it is connected. Now I can access all my basic settings. Okay, so we are going out right now to check the intercom, and Sid is going to ride his Z900 with his Sena 20S, and I'm going to ride my KTM Adventure 390 with my Sena 5S.
You
and
look
behind
very
the camera
stupid.
is Ahana Datta.
You look very stupid actually.
I look all this. We're off to test our Senas. So I have the 5S and Sid has the
20s.
20S. So we already connected the intercom mode, we can listen to each other. So now we're going to hit the road and we're going to test it. We are at Cafe Kanto and we'll be testing the Sena and it's working pretty fine. So we can listen to music, we have also been sharing music and we have also been talking on the intercom. Testing the Sena, it's working fine, absolutely. The Sena, and we were using the intercom mode and also listening to music and sharing music. So Sid, how was it?
It was amazing. It was a good. We should have done this long time back.
Yeah, we should have done this long time back. Sena is really worth it. So Sena ही लेना.